Which excuse me fits the moment? In English, we use excuse me in many different moments. In Spanish, the best phrase often depends on the situation. Here is a safe beginner pattern. We will practice each one slowly with real situations. Con permiso, perdón, disculpa, disculpe. Use con permiso when you want to pass by someone or politely make space. It is very useful in public places. Example: Con permiso, ¿puedo pasar? Means, excuse me, can I pass? Use perdón for a small mistake or a light apology. For example, if you bump into someone gently. Perdón. Uy, perdón is short and natural for a small accident. It is not a big emotional apology. Use disculpa when you are speaking informally to one person. It can help you get someone's attention. Disculpa. This is informal. You might use it with a classmate, a friend, or someone you already speak to casually. Use disculpe when you want to sound more polite or formal. This is safe with someone you do not know. This is a very useful travel sentence. Disculpe makes the question sound polite. Disculpe, ¿dónde está la estación? The difference is about who you are speaking to. Disculpa is informal, and disculpe is more polite or formal. Now let's practice. Choose the phrase that fits each situation best. You are in a small cafe and need to walk past someone. Which phrase is the safest choice? The best choice is con permiso. Use it when you need space to pass by. You lightly bump into someone on the bus. Which phrase sounds natural? The best choice is uy, perdón. It is short, simple, and natural for a small accident. You want to ask a stranger for directions. Which phrase sounds more polite? The best choice is disculpe. It is a safe, polite option when speaking to someone you do not know. Now you are speaking to a friend or classmate. Which phrase feels more informal? The best choice is disculpa. Use it when the situation is casual or familiar. Want more real Spanish? Keep learning Spanish with us.